Hi guys, welcome to the second video in the Smart Map in Python tutorial series. So in the previous video, I showed you guys how the application will look like that we are trying to develop, and I also mentioned a bit about the stack that I was using to develop the application. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to install and configure a PostgreSQL database and PostGIS. So this will be a two-part video, and obviously this will be the first part, and the second one will shortly follow. Okay, so first of all, I just want to mention that I'm using Ubuntu Linux as my operating system. I have not done this in Windows. So yeah, please make sure that you're using Ubuntu and that you follow this tutorial exactly as I'm showing it to you. So okay, let's proceed. Okay, so I like to be root user, so sudo bash. Okay, so first I'm going to add a repository for PostgreSQL. Okay, and now I'm going to add a key. So this is a capital letter O. Okay, so if that was added successfully, you should see the word OK. So now I'm going to do a sudo apt get update. Okay, so hopefully this doesn't take very long. Okay, so now I'm going to install PostgreSQL. So I'll be using PostgreSQL version 9.6. Yes. Okay, so that's done. So now I'll be installing PostgreSQL Contrib. Okay, so it's telling me that it's already installed. Okay, good. So now I'm going to verify that PostgreSQL is installed. Okay, so we can see that version 9.6 is installed. So now I'm going to add a repository for Ubuntu GIS. Enter. Okay, great. So now that that is added, I'm going to once again do a sudo apt-get update. Okay, so now I'll be installing PostGIS. So one thing you have to remember is that uh, PostGIS requires a certain version of PostgreSQL. So find out on PostGIS which version, your version of PostGIS, which version of PostgreSQL your version of PostGIS requires. Okay.